May your Friday be filled with peace, your heart with contentment, and your soul with the light of faith. Every Jumma is a chance to start anew. Leave behind the past and embrace the blessings of the present. The sun shines brighter on Friday. It's a day of hope, a day of faith, and a day of endless possibilities. Friday is a day to cleanse your heart, seek forgiveness, and draw closer to Allah. Let your soul find tranquility in prayer. The best day of the week is Friday. It's a day of prayer, a day of blessings, and a day to be thankful for the opportunities ahead. Friday is a day of forgiveness. Seek Allah's mercy, ask for His guidance, and let go of your worries. It's a day of renewal. Friday is the day of gathering, of congregational prayers, of unity in faith. It's a reminder that we are one Ummah. On this blessed day of Friday, remember to smile, be kind, and count your blessings. It's a day of peace and serenity. Friday is a day of reflection, a day of renewal, a day to be grateful for the week that has passed and hopeful for the one to come. Friday is the key that fits the lock of the week, so make it count.